guys, it's my first time to ride a cable car and yeah, the experience is okay. We're getting see,
Wow.
I am now a new vlogger and I realized that I'm a vlogger when I went to Georgia because of Georgie.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Thank you, Georgie.
Follow and subscribe our new vlogger.
Please don't forget to follow and subscribe and please share it to your friends
Yes.
so that you will be notified if I have a new vlog.
Avoy.
And guys, if you want to go here in Georgia,
Please
contact Mr. Georgie. Mr. Georgie is from Georgia, a Georgian.
No, but he got his license from
Cyprus.
See, we're listening. Even we're all
Even if
we're listening.
even if we are behind,
For 50 euros.
even if we are behind you always.
Wow, look at that, friends, families, loved ones. Yes. And that's the mother of Georgia. Yeah.
That's the mother of Georgia.
Oh
Oh my, hindi ko pa makita.
Yes. I hope you are happy that I am sharing you a bit
So nice.
of the little Georgia.
Uy, may accident din no?